Round 4, 52nd annual, back to 50s, for sale. Nice. No motor, but it should be fun to buy it. Maybe it is a motor somewhere. Oh, Apache electric conversion. Oh my God, it's made into electric. Very nice. Interesting to say the least. Electrical action, huh?
Yep.
Nice. How long did it take you?
I didn't build it.
Oh, okay. Nice. Love it. That's classic. I know a buddy of mine. Funny enough, he took one of the what's the one? Oh God, what's the one that has the main electrical one? The truck, that really weird truck. He made it into a gas.
Okay.
Nice. Love it. What's that one? I can't remember what it's called. Electrical truck. Nice. That's a nice one. Somebody at work was showing his 55 truck here. Saw it at work. It's a classic one. Very nice. Oh. Radio flyer. Heck yeah. Very nice. Look at that bad boy. Nice. Very nice. It's a nice convertible. They're all sitting in front of it. Well, that's the same year. That bad boy. Doesn't say, but that's a cruiser car right there. I don't know. It's the same thing. Let's see what year this one is. The Lincoln 62. Very nice. Suicide doors. Nice. There's an old vehicle right there. There you go. You can see I'm missing a bunch over there, but what are you going to do, right? Yeah.
There's one for you.
Pretty good? Yeah. Summer's taking well. We've had some beautiful.
Very, very nice.
Yesterday was
Yeah, that bad boy. Yeah, heck yeah. It's a wagon. Nomad, they call these. 55 Nomad. Those are well sought after. It's a beautiful vehicle. They always say the happiest day you buy it, the happiest day you sell it. You'll never get the money out you put into it. 383 strong stroker. Nice. Labor of love in these bad boys. Labor of love. It's kind of a classic. Very simple. Might be a 63. I don't know. Let's see, or 60. Let's say I'm going 64. Well, I was right the first time. 63 Chevy. Nice color. Oh, a Hearst. I like that. Drive that bad boy around. Look at that. It's a 63 Cadillac Hearst. Nice. Look at that bad boy. That's a nice vehicle. I like this one. This is nice. Another nice one. What do we get? 64 Mercury. Nice. See, that's a rare one. That one you buy too as well. Again, a convertible collection would be another cool collection to have. Ram, I mean, you have AMC, you have the Etzel collection. There was that guy that's with Wonder Hussy on her show, on her thing. And he collects a bunch of Etzels. It'd be cool to have an Etzel collection like he does. Jealous. Good to see that he's keeping alive. First one I've seen of these in a long time. SS. Look up on YouTube, 59 Ranchero as a kid. Him and his dad do videos. He's obsessed with the 59 Rancheros. He's absolutely epic.
There you go, yeah.
Yeah. Nice. We'll go up here towards Snelling Avenue. Go up there. And we'll look at some stuff. There you go. Got a nice vehicle right here. That's a nice one. Nice. 58 T-Bird. Very nice. There's that way over there on the other side. If I get a chance to get over there, it's called Snow White. It's really a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful Impala. It's gorgeous. So there's just so much to see here, so little time. It's fun to bring like somebody in their 80s right now and then walk around and they'll tell you what they're looking at. So it's always cool. That's kind of cool. That's a car carrier. Very nice. Restored. Very nice. 41 Ford. I like that, man. Yeah, they're all over the place, man. I'm just gonna walk down an aisle here, and it's you can't get them all. That's all there's to it. Here's a. There we go. This one's kind of cool. Go ahead. We'll take a picture of this bad boy. Look at that one, huh? Very, very nice. 409. Whew. Pontiac, Catalina. Very, very nice. Killing two bones with one stone here. A bunch up that way too as well, but you kind of got to just walk up whatever street you can see. A bunch up there. It's kind of fun just to walk around. If you have something to walk around with. But another one for sale here. That's nice. 8800 for this bad boy. Dave. 651-307-5232. Two-door. Nice. I like it. Oh yeah. Unsafe at any speed. Nader. Oh, look at this big bad boy. Look at that sucker. I'm going to take a picture of the unsafe at any speed. You gotta love it, man. It's just classic vehicle. Very, very nice. Got the engine in the back. Look at that bad boy. Battery, the whole 9 yards. Classic. I like that. This is a nice one right here. Yep. 1958, I think it said. Couldn't really tell. Looks nice. Another nice Bel Air. Nice yellow one. Look at that bad boy. Nice. yeah, it's people are coming in left and right. Let's see if there's that bad boy. Back pocket here, but it just goes on and on and on, man. Excuse me.
Only Shandy over
Oh, look at that.
all the hassle.
So I'm gonna go over here now, up another street, and they're constantly cruising around too as well. It's nonstop. That's another nice one. I love it.
From the factory.
For sale. Always something for sale. Oh, look at that one. That's nice. I like this one. Plymouth. Very, very nice. See, I love these kind of cars. A lot of people won't look at them twice because you don't see a lot of them. It's a Plymouth Fury. Yeah, there's another Cubera, 4-door. He has all his ducks in a row. Very nice. I think it's a 419. Is that a Bel Air? Yep. You can tell it's a Bel Air. It's a rare car here, Bel Air.
Yeah, sort of.
Yeah. Well, you don't see a lot of them. You don't. I mean,
Originally a 283 though.
yeah. Oh yeah.
But factory air out of New Mexico, so it was a clean
Nothing
car.
wrong with that. You can put a new tranny in. It doesn't really matter. It's all about keeping it alive. Appreciate it, man. Good work. Good to see. Very nice. How many miles on the engine?
I don't know, 90,000 on the car.
It'll outlive you.
It will.
All right, my friend. Have a good day. Thanks for sharing it. Oh, it's a Nova wagon, I think it is. I think I saw that. Nova, yep. 1963. Plastic. See, people would look twice. There's this Corvette. Oh my goodness. Oh my. But anyways, see you next one.